Hi, first graders. Hey, today we're going to practice some of our magic E words in our three-part drill. So first, let's look at our cards. I magic E says I. O magic E says O. A magic E says A. Now, let's work on writing some of our sounds. So all of our sounds today are going to have two spellings. So the first one, if I said long A, we would say A says A magic E says A. Okay, go ahead and erase. The next one is long O says O. So we know that O says O magic E says O. And the next one is long I. Long I says I. What are the two ways to do that? I says I magic E says I. Okay, good job. Let's look at some words. Okay, say the sounds with me. Ready? Gl, a, z, glaze. Bl, a, z, blaze. Gr, a, z, graze. Gl, o, b, globe. D, o, v, dove. Dr, o, v, drove. Cl, o, v, clove. Gr, o, v, grove. St, o, v, stove. Tr, I, k, trike. Str, I, k, strike. L, I, k, like. I, k, mike. B, I, k, bike. D, ein, dine. Sh, ein, shine. F, ein, fine. P, ein, pine. L, I, line. I, mine.